Hello everyone, welcome to Jenny CEO's channel. Actually, the last time I made a video on how to import from China without Alipay, without your procurement agents, but with your Nigeria bank card, and it will come down to your doorstep, to your state. But I mentioned 2 websites, but actually my community members chatted me up, dropped to the comment section that I should make a screen record of these 2 apps to show them details. So right now I'll be using my screen record to show you the details of these 2 apps. All right, let's go straight to it. Alright everyone, as I said earlier, I'll be making a video on how to use this website, but for today's video I'll be making just using one app to showcase with my screen record. So the next time I will use the other app. Alright, so today we'll just go into Walmart. There's an app called Walmart. If you don't have it, go to your app store, go to your Play Store, click on search Walmart. You can see the icon right here on my screen, WOMATA. So this is the app I'm talking about. So you just click on it. This is the interface. So you see everything is in Naira. You don't need to come and say, I need to start calculating what is the rate. So for you to know that, so you look at it now, you need to sign up. If you've not signed up, if you sign up like I am going to just log in, because I've been using this app for more than 3, 4, 5 years. So I'm not telling you something that is joke. I'll also be showing you. So it's super amazing. I've been using this app to import from China, and I've received my item very fast and okay. So you can also log in. For you to register, you just go ahead and click, as a first timer, you go ahead and click on sign up. All right, so when you click on sign up, you need to enter your email address. Then when you enter your email address, please enter your phone number. I'm in Nigeria, so it's showing me +234. If you're not in Nigeria, you just click on the side. You have different countries. You have if you are in Ghana, British, every country. It works worldwide, guys, so you don't need to panic. It's worldwide. All right, so when you click on your email address, the next thing you need to do is to click on your get code. When they say get code, that means when you click on email, please make sure you click on email address that is valid, because a code will be sent to your email address. You quickly go to your code, copy the code and paste it here. Enter email code. Good and fine. When you paste it here, you put your phone number. If you're in another country, you change this. If you're in Nigeria, you leave it +234. You set your password. Please set password, you won't forget. You also retype password. Referral ID is not necessary. Yes, I did not put referral ID. Then you quickly go to sign up. So I'm going to be logging in for you to see how it works. All right, I'm not going to sign up because it's not a first time. I've been using this app for quite more than how many years right now. All right, let me just log in to show you how the interface works. All right, guys, as you can see, I just logged into the platform. All right, so this platform is amazing. Now you can see you're already in Naira, NGN. All right, so this is going to be showing you everything in Naira. Be translating, it's already translating it. This is no need for you to go and look for Google Translate, look for iDictionary and say let me translate. No, everything is here translated for you guys. All right, you can see, just click, scroll down. You have different area. You can see fashion and all that. So let me quickly go to my account. You have this account here by the side. Click on account. So you can see it has what they call wallets. You can see that it has what they call wallets. See what I have in my wallet because I don't stop to the put. When I like topping up when I want to buy again. So that's what I would advise everyone. If you want to buy, please top up. Once you're done buying, just leave small money there. All right, check it out. So we have different, see, global orders and all that. They have the beautiful thing about this website, they refund. You don't need to panic when this notice they wait for the supplier did not bring the item, they refund you immediately. All right, so it's super amazing. I want to be going to all these things. So many things to learn here, but let's just do it bit by bit. Maybe in my next class I will do that. So let's go to our delivered reviews. Let's go to our delivered reviews. So many of my members ask me how to recharge. All right, how to recharge here, because before you start buying, you need to recharge. All right, you need to recharge. So when we talk recharge, it means adding up to your wallet. Look at the wallet over here. This is the wallet. So look at the recharge. So look at your transaction. They also have commission, so you click on your recharge. Recharge means for you to add. So one beautiful thing about this website is you don't need to look for how yuan is expensive, where will I get yuan is scarce. You will just pay with your local bank card. Now enter the amount you want to recharge. For example, you want to recharge 20,000 naira. I'm just doing that as an example. Then they will give you so many ways you can recharge. You can see so many ways you can recharge. You can recharge based on by commission, for free, because we have all items have their commission. You can recharge by bank transfer, instant arrival. You can recharge by bank transfer. You can recharge waiting approval record. So it's super amazing. Let's just say we want to recharge 20,000 naira. I'm just using as an example. Yes, because this is a very important part. You click on recharge. So you see that. So their charge is 15 naira. So you're going to use your hand to select payment method. You can use Providence, by Paystack, any one of your choice. You can even pay using Alipay. So you just quickly go to pay. All right, you can go to Paystack. You see, so it's super amazing. This app is amazing. So you see that. So this account details expires in 10 minutes. You just pick this account number and you pay in the 20,015 naira, and before you know what's happening, it will just immediately come to your wallet. And this your wallet will be having this wallet will now be having 20,000 plus this amount here. Then you can be able to buy. It's super amazing. So it's super amazing, guys. So I'm not telling you something that I've not been doing. I've used. So this app is super amazing. You don't need any. They keep updating you with messages. You can also, one thing about them is that you can chat them up on WhatsApp. Very amazing, and they are fast. I remember one of my students bought from this website. I introduced this website, then she bought from it. Guess what, guys? They sent a sandal left and right, and she was like, then a worker, they forgot to send a supplier forgot to send the sitter or something. So she like, wow, she set them up. What's happening? I was shocked. The next arrival, in less than 1 week, they set her up and said, your item is, you have a pickup right now. They say, what? The supplier sent another slippers that has a sandal that has left and right in order with the sitter. I was like, so this app helps scammer to go far, because they will investigate before you come and send. So you see, let's say for example, and one beautiful part about this website, it works with 1688. You can see 1688 right here. All right, so you can also go to 1688, search for what you want to buy, go through it, select the good store with 5 stars with positive reviews, then you will just come here and paste it. You can come here and paste it. The beautiful part about this website, you can also come here and search for what you want to buy. It has camera icon. Look at where you can paste your link. So when you paste your link, you will still be buying from State because it's the same thing. Just that these people are helping you. These people are just like a middleman, helping you not to get scammed, helping you to translate, and helping you to buy in your own currency. So it's super amazing. Look at the photo part. So you just come to your photo. The photo, like if you want to search, let's just say you want to search for this, click on this. You see that, looking for products. So it's super. So you can see what I'm saying. Oh my god, you can see what I'm saying. Look at the product 3-in-1 with the full is here 27,000. This thing, they sell this blender in Nigeria for 85,000 naira. So look at what this is selling. So you just quickly click on it. You want to buy. All right, so it's super amazing. Help you translate it. Help you translate it. This one MOQ is 2. You see that. So look at this store. This item is from 1688. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm saying. And from here you can even view the original page of 1688, and it's super amazing. Super amazing. All right, so everything is translated. You can see the seller store, you can see the seller selling other things. You can buy from description, everything right in English. You don't need to translate anymore. You don't need Google Translate. So you just submit your order. You can also see add to cart. You can see I have 44 items added to cart already. So if I just want to buy, go to my cart, pam, send. So you can add to cart. When you add to cart, yes, you just now you see the beautiful thing about this app. It will translate it for you. Tell this is European plug, this is British, this is so, but 1688 won't do that. You need to translate. So this one is so sweet in English. So you just know that as if you're in Nigeria, you should buy British plug. That's what we are using. So you now here you can help you select your quantity. Let's say we are buying 1, it will calculate for you. Then you add to cart. You are buying 2, you're buying 3, any amount you want to buy. So it's super amazing. Then you can now add to cart. All right, but if you want to submit immediately, if you don't want to add to cart, you want to buy immediately, you click on submit. You still click on your British and you submit order. You submit order. All right, you submit order. It's super sweet. I've bought from this platform so many times. Now you can see I selected 2 shipped from China. You see that. You see goods consolidation and delivery for bulk procurement. They even consolidate. They help you pack your goods together. So you just do what? You just simply go and write buy now, and you click on buy now. It will pick from that recharge. You see that you just put your payment password. So before you buy, you make sure you recharge your account. You recharge. So after buying, the next thing, when the item arrive their warehouse, they will just notify you. They have notification. Let me just cancel it so I'll show you notification. All right, so they have notification. Like this message now, they will tell you, look at all these things and notification. You see that they also update. They also tell you, like, look at this one. They just noticed and said they just noticed and say their user October 1st to October 7th is China National Day. You see, they update their group steady. They know they carry last for that one. They are so organized. They are so organized. So it's super amazing. So it's super amazing. So you have nothing to worry about. It's over legit. It's over legit. So once it comes, you just okay, you can sell. And the beauty. Let me say another thing. Another thing about this website. You can also buy they have available items here in Nigeria. So if you go down, you see that this class is 2-in-1. If you go down here, you see local. I know some of my students that come to this local and buy. People they cash out. They'll come and buy, and they will not even buy. They'll just come now. For example, local. They'll click on it. All these goods, look at it. Goods in Nigeria. So all these goods are in Nigeria. Now we've moved out of buying from China. Now I'm talking about the available goods here in Nigeria. You will just come. They will now come. Like for example, now this all these goods are in Nigeria. You see, they will just pick all these things and put on their status. Put on their platform, add their own profit. For example, this one is 2,470 you. You can add 1,500, you can add 1,000, you can add 500. You see that, and you put post. Look at it now. You post. People will now say, I'm interested. They pay. Once they pay, chicken now, you just come over here. Maybe they've paid for this thing. You just click on it. Oh yeah, I don't come. I want to buy. It's already in Nigeria. So nothing to worry about. You see, they are even giving. See, you can even gain you gain extra when you even recommend your friend to buy. So you just quickly, oh yeah, I'll pick up 16 as soon. You just look at it. This person have 5-star. Okay, you submit order. Bam, you submit order. When you submit order, you select. Is it gold? Is it mixed color? You select. Then you do what? Submit order. You submit. You see that? It's super amazing. So what do? You just buy. Now you have where look at their locations. How will I explain? Look at their locations here. Delivery information. You put in your delivery information. Like for example, now look, they have Lagos Airport warehouse. They also have other warehouse. They have other warehouse. You click on it. If you don't want Lagos warehouse, maybe they have so many warehouse. Look at Lagos Airport warehouse. Look at Alaba market pickups. They have trade fair. They have island station. For example, if you're not on the mainland, you're on the island. Don't joke with this. You could click on island. It will change. It will change to island. See how amazing it is. Change to island. Then you quickly click on buy now. Once you buy now, look back in. When it's pick up October 16. Today is, let's say today I'm making this video is October 11. October 16. You just, oh yeah, why some of them are already available, you just buy now. Then they will just give you a notification, come and pick up your thing. Just go to island office there, carry your thing, give to your customer. You are making money. So this video is already long, so I cannot go ahead with the second website. So my next video, I'll go to make video on the second website again. And so if you've not liked this video, go ahead and like. So no need to do a pay procurement agent. If you don't have the international passport, no excuse. You can buy from China without your international passport. Without Alipay, on your own by yourself. You'll be importer. All right, guys. Don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Jenny, see you, cares and loves you. Bye for now.